What's up, guys? We got a 1970
Lemans
lemans Pontiac. We went ahead and installed the alarm system. Doesn't have any power locks in that particular year, but yeah, the car is super clean, super nice. We went ahead and installed the alarm, so with the starter kill, flashing lights, the siren, somebody opens the door, fires off. We put the LED light in the bottom, so we really didn't want to make any holes in the dash. Let me go ahead and fire off the alarm so you can hear it. Put the LED light in the bottom. Start a kill. Turn off the alarm. The car will crank right off. Okay. Pretty nice. It's got AC. An aftermarket AC system, but it's done the right way without that bottom piece that a lot of collectibles have. A pretty decent looking ride. Yeah, and then we give them a hood pin, of course, because in this particular year you can open the hood from the outside. So we give them a Mercury switch, so if somebody opens the hood from the outside, it will trigger the alarm. Then of course it's got the shock sensor. If somebody bangs in the window, it sets off the alarm. Go ahead and do that. It's like a warning if I hit it harder. The alarm goes off. Flashes the lights. Anybody who's got these old Mustangs, Camaros, you know, all these type of collectibles, give us a call. We're based out of Miami. We do come out to you. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And thank you for watching this video. This is in a 1970
Le Mans
Sport
convertible.
convertible Pontiac. Thank you for watching this video.